Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add dimensions in Revit step by step. Dimensions are essential for communicating accurate measurements in your building model, and Revit makes it easy to create precise, automatically updating dimension annotations. So let's get started. First, open your Revit project and switch to the floor plan, elevation, or section view where you want to place dimensions. Make sure the elements you want to measure, such as walls, doors, or windows, are clearly visible. Next, go to the Annotate tab on the ribbon and click the Align Dimension tool. Yeah, this is the most commonly used dimension tool because it automatically aligns the dimension with the selected elements. Now click the first reference point or wall, then click the second reference you want to measure. After selecting the references, move your cursor away from the objects to position the dimension line, then click once to place it. Revit will automatically display the correct measurement and keep it updated if the model changes later. If you need to adjust the appearance, select the dimension and use the Properties panel to change the dimension style, text settings, or other formatting options. You can also add additional witness lines by selecting the dimension and choosing Edit Witness Lines, depending on your project requirements. Continue placing dimensions wherever they're needed to clearly document your design. Before finishing, review your drawings to ensure all important building elements are properly labeled and easy to understand. And that's it. You now know how to add dimensions in Revit and create accurate construction drawings with automatically updating measurements. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.